Hello, 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 everybody. This is Caron. I am your independent consultant with Pampered Chef. And you guys, I am here to share with you this awesome new product that I received that I just got today. It is the Deluxe coffee machine. The Pampered Chef Deluxe coffee machine. I just got this coffee pot, like just opened it in the box today. I just took it out of the box and took some of the plastic off of it, but I kind of wanted to walk you through it. I probably won't do a demo on making anything. I'm just going to do a walkthrough of the product and what you do get with the product. So this is the machine in and of itself. I didn't take this little piece out of the off of it, but this is part of the cup well. As you can see, if you're receiving all of these Pampered Chef items, everything has like some instructions on here. Do not lift the unit by the handle on the water tank lever. Just some warnings. I may not take those off. I'm not sure. Probably will though, just because here's some additional items. This is how it comes outside of the plastic wrapping for shipping. This is the entire unit, okay? There's this little area right here. It has like a little shelf, and the little shelf is used to house the little lids here, like a little storage area. And I'm just going to walk you through what comes with the unit. Let me take everything out of the containers. Okay, so there's just these three things. All right, so this guy right here. So as you can see, most people these days have like tall cups. So you can fit a relatively tall cup in here. But if you've got a shorter, shorter, then you can put the little ledge in there and put it right in here to seat your cup in the process, okay? I haven't plugged this in. Before I share you parts, I want to share with you the back of this, okay? Why I'm excited about this. Take a look at this. You guys, hold on. Let me try to turn it around without dropping this thing. One of the things that I love most about this unit is you have this little area in the back that you can wrap the cord. If you have... depending on how far the outlet is from here, you can wrap the cord around or you can let it go fully. I love that, so that it doesn't have all this huge cording hanging around all over. So let's take a look and do a little bit of exploring in the machine. So of course, this is our water reservoir, right? And let me get my notes here. So brew a single serving of hot coffee in 6 cup sizes. You can use ground coffee, Keurig approved cups, or Nespresso pods. You can use those as well. If you like stronger coffee, there is a button that you can use to make it bold. I got to figure out where that button is. This is your ounces. This is your on-off button. And I still don't see the bold button. I'm going to have to take a look at the instructions. This machine is 12.5 inches by 10 inches by 12 inches. It makes up to 1.8 quarts of coffee before you'll need to refill the water tank. It's 120 volts. There is a 2-year guarantee on this product. Let's see. It includes a ground coffee insert, an espresso pod insert, Keurig cup insert, and it says 25 paper filters, the drip tray, the 1.8 quart water tank, and the cooking guide. All of this comes with the kit, okay? Of course, you also have your user manual. And so I'm just going to take a quick look through here because I want to find that button. All right. So, of course, with all of our guides, you have the user manual. It just identifies where everything is, what comes with. All right. So the entire thing is your base unit. We already talked about the water tank, which is right here. Your water tank float is in here. Wait a minute, hold on. What's the water tank float? It's your C item. Okay, so it's somewhere over here is your float items. These are your filters that are in here. I didn't take those out. Oh, that's what this is. This is the float, right? I think. Hold on. Hold on. I'm still looking. I'm still looking. W. That's a syringe that comes with it. All right. So let's see if these are labeled. So this is, and they are labeled. You can't see it. They're engraved in here. This one is the ground coffee pod. So what that means is if you like me and you like to make your own coffee, you can put the coffee grounds in there, and maybe that's how that comes out. Aha, that's exactly how that comes out. This one is for K-cups. If you've got K-cups like I have in here, you can also use your K-cups. You can put them right in here, just like so. And then you can put them right in here, just like that. Lock it in place. This does not come out once it's locked and secured. This one is for, like I said, for ground coffee. I like to buy my flavored coffee every so often, and so I will make sure that I use that one. And then there's also this one. This is for your Nespresso cups as well. So you have those three options. You have those three options. What is M? Okay, so we got that. Okay, so I've kind of basically walked you through this entire system. The only thing I haven't done on here is where we're gonna put these extras for storage. Okay, so you don't have to worry about where any of it is. You could even leave this one out of here to totally, oh no, it only does two. So it's only going to hold two. So one is always going to be in here, and then the other two is going to be in there. Okay. That's pretty much the basic parts of the unit. Alrighty. Okay. So, going through the display item, this is your power button. This is your bowl button right here. So if you want to, matter of fact, hold on a moment. Let's just go ahead, plug the unit in, and so we can see what all the buttons are. All right, so I've gone ahead and loaded the machine with some water. I'm going to do an initial run. So I just wanted you to be able to see what everything looks like. So we're going to turn the button on. Right, and so that just turned it on, and as you can see, 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces, 12 ounces. So that's the capacity that we can do here. Right now it's flashing, so it is on the 6 ounces. If we did want to have it scroll to more, then we would use the selector button and select which capacity we wanted to use. We're gonna go with the 8 ounces. Right, and then once we have all of that, then we are just going to the start button again. And there we go. It's not a quiet process apparently. And I just have my hand here. It's feels pretty darn hot. But this is our initial wash. If we wanted to make it stronger, then we would hit the plus arrow to make the brew strength bolder. Okay? All right, that's it, guys. That's how to use this machine. So now that I'm doing the pre-cleaning, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this and get this all ready for tomorrow so that I can have my coffee in the morning. Now, the only thing I don't see is that there is a preset for brewing, but that doesn't seem, because it is a single serve, like that would be something that is like a major requirement. All I would need to do is make sure that I had my coffee pre-done, preloaded in the morning. I don't even hear that little sound means that it's finished. And I just opened this as well. So in the morning or at night, all I would have to do is either use a K-cup or my coffee grounds, fill it in there, leave it in there, and then the first thing I do in the morning, set my ounces, and I'll be ready to go. Guys, this should be very quick, very simple. There's so many other things that we can explore in the start guide. There are some recipes in here of things that we can make, some frozen coffee, and just some additional instructions in terms of getting to know our machine. But I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough. And if you are interested in getting this item, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I am Caron Bailey, your independent consultant with Pampered Chef, and I would love to help you get this in your hands. This machine is $299, you guys, but this is part of the start. You can add this as an item in your starter kit if you choose to become a Pampered Chef consultant this month. So I hope this is something that you're interested in. If you are and you want to get it as part of your starter kit, reach out to me and I will get you some more information. I would love to have you on my team. On that note, you guys, I'm excited to have my first cup of coffee in the morning using the new Pampered Chef Deluxe coffee maker. Have a good evening.